Welcome. In this lesson, we learn how to find the symmetric difference between two arrays while using a custom comparator function. Let's get started. This function is useful when comparing objects or numbers with custom logic, such as rounding or key-based uniqueness. This function uses filter to find unique elements and find index to check for presence based on a custom comparison function. The function works by iterating through both arrays and filtering out elements that have a match in the other array according to the custom comparator. Using this function, we can handle different types of comparisons, such as rounding numbers or comparing objects based on specific keys. This approach is highly effective for tasks like data synchronization, where we need to compare two datasets and extract unique values. With this approach, we can perform flexible comparisons between arrays, making it a powerful tool for various applications. Thank you for following along, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.